So let's take a look at the first one. If I give you a function f of x equal to 2 to the power of 2 times x to the power of 2 minus 2x minus 1, how do we solve for f of 0? Okay, what would be a first step? Those of you with the microphone, you can just pick up the mic and tell me the first step. Those of you who don't have a microphone, you can type your steps here. So let's go from the top of the list. Here, Laura says to combine the x. We cannot combine the x because they're not a like term. Ashley says plug in the 0. Okay. And okay, let's see. Angel Garcia, can you tell me what would be your first step? You have a microphone. Are we reviewing for test number 2? Go ahead.
You would apply the zeros to the x's?
Right. So you have f of x is equal to 2x to the power of 2 minus 2x minus 1. So if I want to find f of 0, everywhere I see x, I substitute 0. Simple as that. I put 0 here, I put 0 here, and that's how you can evaluate f of 0. So this would be 0 minus 1. So f of 0 would be equal to minus 1. Okay, again, to get the credit for the session, everybody should participate throughout the session. Let me see check mark in front of everybody's name if you follow this so far. Those of you who entered with not your real name as a screen name, please go ahead and type your full name in the chat box to receive a credit for this session. And please log in on time. I see still students are logging in late. Once again, you need to enter your full name in the chat box to get the credit for attendance. So move on to f of minus 1. If I want to find what is f of minus 1 is, similarly you substitute for each x minus 1 like this, and then you evaluate this. So here we get
negative 1.
You would get the 2 times one. Okay, Eduardo, you have a question?
No, sorry.
Okay,
so myself.
That's fine. So this would be plus 2 minus 1 will be 2 plus 2 minus 1 will be 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Okay, any question, anyone? Okay, some of you asking what chapter we're working on. I just picked random problems that relate to take-home test number 2. As you know, for preparing for test number 2, relate to class calendar. It tells you what chapters you need to study for test number 2. So these are the problems I picked from take-home test number 2 to prepare for next exam. All these problems going to be in the next exam, so make sure you can follow all that. Okay, so let's take a look at next question. Everybody okay with this? I still don't see a check mark in front of your name. Those of you here, please respond by putting a check mark in front of your name. I just want to make sure whether you're logged in or here, actually participating. All right, there's a green check mark right front of the door. You click on that, please. Manuel, I don't see a check mark in front of your name. Who else? Everybody here except Manuel. You're typing something. Okay. While you're doing that, let's take a look at the next question.